online tutorials. In this tutorial about WordPress, we're going to look at how to add text and images to a page. So I have open my site, and on this particular page you can see there's an awful lot of text here in the About Us page. So what I want to do is I want to add some images to that and maybe change some of the text. What you have to do is you have to open the back end, the dashboard of your site, and we're going to find on the left hand menu here the pages link, and we're going to open up all of the pages, or this will open up a list of the pages for us, and we're going to click on the edit button on the About Us page, as that's the one we're going to edit. On this page here we will see when it pops up the WYSIWYG editor, and that is the what you see is what you get interface for our page, and here it comes. And here's the text that I literally just cut and paste into here. In this editing area here we can just type anything you like, and we can use the tools at the top to make it bolder, make it italic. We've got all of these features here using the standard features that you would expect to see in any word processing package. Ordered lists with numbers, bullet points, strike throughs, it's all there. And what you see there, as I said, is what you're going to get at the end of it. But we don't want to do that, we want to add a picture. And in adding pictures, we're going to press the Add Media button here. With the media window here, if we have any images in our collection, they will appear here, and we can simply click on them, and in the right hand window here we can change the settings. It's always good practice to make sure that your titles, captions, alternative text and descriptions are filled in and are meaningful, because this will help with increasing your rating on the search engines like Google. But it's also easier to find, and it's good accessibility practice. For example, people with screen readers, they will have this alternative text read out to them when they're looking at your website. We can decide over here whereabout we want our picture to be, whether it's aligned on the left, the middle, the right, or not at all. I'm going to stick with the left. And this last option here, this is to enable the image to be a link. So if we want the users to be able to click on it to see a bigger version of that image, we can leave the default settings here. But in this case, I think I'm going to select none at all, because I don't want it to be a link to anything. I just want it to appear in the page. In terms of the size here, we've got two choices. The default is the full size. This is 225 pixels square. This would be too big in my opinion. This would dominate the page. So I'm going to select the thumbnail option. And the thumbnails are created automatically when you upload your photos. And then I'm going to insert that into the page. And you can see there it is, in there on the left with the caption below. And in order to make that go live, I just click on the update button, and in a second that will update, and I can refresh the page to see what the change looks like. And there it is on the page. The pictures nicely fit in there, got a nice border around there so the text wraps around it. You have the caption underneath, and it looks very nice, and there it is. Okay, so that's how to insert images and to change text on a page. If you're not happy with that layout, you can click on the picture, select the Edit Picture button, and you've got a whole load of settings here where you can change it to the right, change some links, change the size if you want to, and go ahead and make those changes. Okay, thanks for watching. Give it a go yourself, and of course, like always, if you've got any problems, do get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye. This was a Kirkpatrick Consult Limited production. www.kirkpatrickconsult.co.uk